Yeah, good morning, it's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday the 7th of September 2018. This is just my daily video on where I go over what I've done this morning on the daily charts only. That's for the high probability and the mod MACD methods. You probably noticed there's no video yesterday because nothing happened. So let's have a look at the charts this morning. I'll start with the high probability because there's not much happening here at all. This is my high probability daily profile. On the Euro New Zealand in a buy trade from back here, still going up nicely. Just moved my stop up this morning to 1.74887. So all I'm doing is locking a little bit of profit there. Still got big divergence, and this morning I've had a new red dot on the MACD Platinum above the zero level, hence that grey vertical line, looking for a possible trade to the downside. But in the meantime, we're still in a buy from back here, which is 6th of June. So that's a Euro New Zealand dollar. Switch to the mod MACD daily charts. Yeah, with the lower time frame trading, I'm thinking like I've got to sort of wind down a little bit because I'm going away next week for a few days. But I did take some new trades this morning. It's all been posted in the Facebook group and Telegram group. The oil news last night, the numbers were way off, and because Canadian dollar is affected by the oil news, got sort of a bit whipsawed a bit, and the stop was probably too tight. It's in the right spot, but not in the right spot, but it's had the right trade direction. Just stop was too tight, took me out. That's trading. Alright, this is the mod MACD daily. Let's have a look what we've done here. All trade management basically this morning. Start with the Euro Swiss franc in a sell from back here. Already closed out 2/3 of my trade. All I've done is move my stop down this morning to 1.13759. It's getting all very tight, lower lows here, overextended as far as I'm concerned. So just moving the stop in, locking in profit. USD Swiss franc, again in a sell, already closed out 2/3. This morning just moved my stop down a little bit further, 0.98499. There is non-farm payrolls or the employment figures out of the US later tonight, about 12.5 hours or so. It is a big news event, or can be a big news event, so the markets could move, and this is one pair that probably would. Right, that's the USD Swiss franc. Pound Swiss, again in a sell from back here, closed half already. Moved my stop down this morning 1.27413, so just keeping above this 25 SMA. And you can see you got lower prices here, lower lows, and higher lows on the fast MACD. So there is divergence forming there. So you're thinking it's going to go to the upside sometime soon. That's a pound Swiss. Aussie Swiss is a theme here. It seems to be a lot of Swiss pairs. In a sell, already closed 2/3. All I've done this morning is move my stop down to 0.72210. So you can see it's just above the 25 SMA. This one's super overextended, this pair. Just looks like it wants to it'll eventually bounce upwards there. But in the meantime, we're in a sell. Trade what we see, not what we think. And CAD Swiss, oh, that's every pair there, Swiss. CAD Swiss in a sell back here. Already sold 1/3 of my, already closed out 1/3. This morning I closed out another third. The profit's just pretty good there. And you can see this is something I mentioned in the book about the system, when it's pretty hard to see that dotted dash line, the red dash line crosses the blue line there, and you can see momentum's just slowing a bit on the histogram, on the standard MACD. So just taking some more profit, got to stop in place. So nothing to worry about there. So it's a good result. So that's it, guys. Just trade management mainly this morning. Just lower time frames are causing me a little bit of grief. Can't seem to get much traction there. Every time I sort of, the account I think twice the account's gone up to over 1,600 or something, and it just keeps on dropping back a little bit. So we just stick at them, and we'll see how we go in the next few days. I probably won't be taking as many trades, but just because I won't have time to look at the charts, but I'll keep up with the dailies, etc. And look out for the news tonight, 7:30 my time local, which is 12 hours and 40 minutes away. Just be careful if you're a short-term trader. And thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, please subscribe or at least hit the like button. Chat later. Cheers.